Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Amid the voting for the Tripura municipal elections on Thursday, the TMC accused BJP goons of attacking its booth agents and candidates. The TMC also slammed Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Dev's Gunda Raj. Elections for over 200 seats in the Agartala Municipal Corporation and other civic bodies in Tripura are being held on Thursday. As many as 785 contestants are in the fray after 36 candidates withdrew their nominations. As soon as voting began, the TMC raised almost 20 issues of EVM malfunction and hooliganism by BJP workers. Of the 20 instances of EVM malfunction, only 2 have been resolved so far, the party said in a statement to the State Election Commission on Thursday morning. The TMC said some BJP goons attacked some of its candidates. In a series of tweets, the party posted a video showing a person with a disfigured face. Sharing the video on Twitter, the Tripura TMC said, "Our candidate from ward number 51 was brutally attacked. His eyes are swollen and he is seriously injured. At BJP 4, Tripura goons are not sparing anyone. Complete disregard for the Honorable Supreme Court." In another tweet, the Tripura TMC said, "Elderly people are being pushed and thrashed by BJP goons for exercising their rights. This lady's husband is seriously injured after BJP goons beat him up because he was going to vote." The TMC targeted CM Biplab Dev over the purported incidents. It said the entire nation is witnessing the complete collapse of law and order in Tripura. CM Biplab Dev has failed to protect the state, and BJP for Tripura goons have launched merciless attacks on not only our candidates and our booth agents but also common people. Shame on BJP, said the TMC. Tripura TMC tweeted, "Candidates are being beaten while casting their vote. Democracy or Gunda Raj? At BJP, Biplab is mocking the apex court of the country. Shameful," he added. The TMC also alleged the BJP workers were casting votes on behalf of people. Blatant abuse of democratic rights. Shame on BJP. Fearing defeat, their goons are now casting votes on behalf of people. When the same 30 to 40 people showed up to the polling stations, they were told that their votes have already been cast. They were also threatened, the TMC said. Under Biplab's Gunda Raj, voters are being shooed away from polling stations. They are either being forced to stay at home or to cast their votes only in favor of BJP. Democracy repeatedly being strangulated, and yet the State Election Commission remains silent. Shocking, the party said in another tweet. Meanwhile, Pratima Bhowmik, the Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment, has accused the Trinamool Congress of acting on a plan to malign her home state Tripura in a bid to cover up its misdeeds in West Bengal. Bhowmik said even the communists did not indulge in the kind of violence that the Trinamool Congress under Mamata Banerjee has unleashed in West Bengal and Tripura. Since the BJP came to power in 2018, did you hear any violence in Tripura before August? Violence came to Tripura this August when the Trinamool Congress came here, Bhowmik alleged. They came to Tripura with a plan. The TMC has IPAC. They are a business. They are not into politics. They play with people's lives. Bhowmik's offensive against the TMC came hours ahead of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's scheduled meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which she raised the issue of her party cadres being attacked in Tripura. Bhowmik, however, denied the TMC's charge that BJP cadres were involved in the political violence in Tripura. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.